Hi everyone, this is my Module 13 review over copyright. Obviously copyright is, well, if you copywritten something, you've used something that was not yours and it matches exactly up with someone else's and you're using it as yours and you're giving them no credit to their work, you're just using it as your own. Uh, this is highly illegal. Uh, copyright Copywritten stuff is illegal. It's protected by the Constitution. You can't do it. It's super illegal. But there are ways you can use it. Fair use. It kind of gives you the right to use material for like educational purposes. There's kind of really no limit to how much you can use fair use, but there's a couple of guidelines. Um, One, kind of like where'd you get your information? Uh, like what's the source of your information? Is it actual information that can help like your purpose? Uh, and mainly just using it for educational purposes. Then Creative Commons is another form of copyright, which is basically on steroids. There's 6 different ways uh, you can get copyrighted content. You just have to go in and find which certain one uh, you need and which one uh, you fall under. And that is pretty much it. Thank you.